I love Mondays. It's the beginning of every brand new week. So let's step back and get a bit of a sense of the Monday's trading day. Rotimi Fakayejo is from Enterprise Stockbrokers. And as he did on Monday, how he's going to do on Tuesday. Good morning, Rotimi. It's good to have you.
Good morning, Wilson.
Thank you. In terms of turnover, let's stick with the banks, and I'm going to keep talking about this like a broken record. The big four banks haven't reported yet, and it looks like everybody is sitting on the edge of their chairs waiting for Access, GT, Zenith, and UBA.
Yes. And that is why you see some fluctuation in the prices of these stocks. Sometimes we see GT Bank come to 39 and return back to 40. And Access Bank dropping just a little above 10 naira and getting back to about 10 naira 20. Likewise, UBA, likewise, Zenith Bank. And everyone is actually and honestly expecting the results of these banks. And I think it's going to determine so much how we're going to move forward from now.
Why are they keeping everyone waiting? It looks like raising everybody's blood pressure.
Well, it isn't their fault, actually, because it's regulatory procedure. Because being audited reports, they have to pass it to the CBN. And since they are going to pay interim dividends, the CBN needs to give approval of that before they can actually put forward. So if anybody is going to say anything at all, it's not a bank, it's definitely Central Bank of Nigeria. That everybody should beg to please release these results as soon as possible so that investors can have a peace of mind and know what's actually happening in those banks in the half year.
Look at the volume of transactions yesterday in this three of these four banks, in Access, in GT, and Zenith, more than 100 million in total for the three of them. What does that indicate in terms of this heavy volume just before these numbers from these four banks hit the street?
Yes, what we could see from yesterday is that there is a renewed interest in those three stocks. Investors are actually repositioning themselves. Prior to the end of last month, we saw quite a lot of movement as well. But it seems those that were sort of apprehensive of the position of the bank are actually having a new confidence. And I believe strongly that by the time the results come out, they'll be justified for the actions they are taking right now, like taking up fresh volumes.